Hello, in this video right now, I'm going to show you how to buy a keyword research tool called Keyword Everywhere. It is sold around $10 for 100,000 credits for 1 year. So for $10, you can get 100,000 credits, which will help you to make keyword research for 100,000 keywords. So this is insane, guys. So I'm going to show you how to buy this Keyword Everywhere. So it's a comment section. So I'm going to show you how to install the extension right now. So this is a step-by-step video. So as you can see here, inside my PayPal account, I have have up to $12. So I'm going to use my PayPal account to buy it. So this Keyword Everywhere comment section, which I'm going to show you step by step how to install it, will help you to do keyword search for both your blog and also YouTube. So if you have a blog and you are getting into doing SEO, search engine optimization, this Keyword Everywhere will help you a lot, because it will help you. Once you open Google, you type the keyword you want to make research about, and this comment section will show you the keyword monthly search volume, the CPC and the rest. So it will also show you the related keywords. It's very similar, and also if you want to use it to do keyword research on YouTube, so you just need to go to YouTube, type in the topic you want to make video about, and this Keyword Everywhere comment section will give you the data of the monthly search volume in real time. So I have been using it when it was free, and also I have purchased it last year or 2 years, and right now I want to purchase it again because I found it very useful for beginners that is getting into SEO. So you know what to do now. So let's get started. So what you need to do now is to go to your Chrome browser or Firefox and type in keyword_everywhere.com. So once you type it, you see here install for Chrome, install for Firefox. So what I need to do is to click on install for Chrome. So this is my computer that I'm using to install this. So if you are using your Android phone, what you can do is to go to Play Store and download Qiwi browser or Yandex browser. So it will help you to install Chrome extensions. So you can use it to install Chrome, install this Keyword Everywhere too. So I can see here I have already installed it. So what I need to do now, as I have installed it, is to come to this Chrome extension list. So it is here. I have already pinned it. So what I need to do is to click on it, and once I click on it right now, what I need to do is to sign up for new API key. So I need to sign up for a new API key before I then purchase the so what I need to do is to enter in my email address here. They will send API key to this email address. So this is the email address, and just check this box and click on email me the API key, and they will send API key. As you can see here, the API key has been successfully sent by email. So let me check it real quick and come back here. So as you can see here, I've checked my email inbox, and this is the API key that says please click here to access your API key. So I click on it to access the API key, and here is the code. So and that is it. So here come back, as you can see, this is the insertion. They say I need to follow. So what I need to do is to click on this Chrome extension again. That is the K icon, keyword everywhere. And what I need to do is to validate, is to enter this API key. I need to go to settings. So once I go to settings here, I need to enter the API key. So I enter the API key, I paste it, and I click on validate. So the API key is valid. So I have confirmed I have validated this API key. So next thing now is to buy the keyword everywhere tool, is to purchase a credit, which in this case, let's go to pricing here. Once I come to pricing, you will see that $10 for 100,000 credits. So in this case, it will help us to do a keyword search of 100,000 keywords for just $10 for 1 year. And you can see other pricing, but I'm interested to buy this $10 credit. So to buy it right now, I need to click on this. I need to click on the car icon. So after clicking on it, here I need to click on, as you can see here, credits left, 0. Purchase additional credits. So I need to click on purchase additional credits. So I click on it right now, and it will take me to this page. I click on buy now, and I'm going to use PayPal to buy it. So you watch it as I do it. So if you're enjoying this video, kindly like it. I will appreciate it a lot. Kindly like it and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see here, after clicking on buy now, you will see purchase keyword everywhere 100,000 credits. Where are you located? So I am from Nigeria, and I need to click on continue. So as you can see here, purchase keyword everywhere 100,000 credits. So there are two payment options: pay by card and pay by PayPal. So I'm going to pay through PayPal. So I select PayPal. This is PayPal. I click on PayPal because, as you know, I already have over up to $12 in my PayPal account balance. So I'm going to pay with it. So let's be watching it right now. So it is logging inside my PayPal account. So here, as you can see here, PayPal balance, pay with PayPal balance. So I'm going to, I think I have $4.39 in my Australia PayPal balance, and $7.74 inside my USD balance. But I'm going to pay with balance anyway. So what I need to do here, after the log inside your account, so just click on continue. One more step, finish payment. So they are completing this payment. So I think we are processing your payment. So they are processing the payment, and let's watch and see what happens. So let's be waiting and see what happens. So processing, processing. So I think it went through. Boom, it went through. As you can see here, current credits 100,000. So and this is my email address, and 1 credit equals to 1 keyword. 1 credit equals to 1 keyword, and I have up to current credit of 100,000 credits. So I can use it to research up to 100,000 keywords. So this is insane, guys. So this is insane. Credits expire after 1 year. So 1 year. So what I need to do is to start doing keywords research. So what I'm going to do now is to show you here in the comment section that the credits have been credited. As you can see here, credits left 100,000 credits. So what I need to do now is to show you how to make keyword research using this tool. So what I need to do is to go to Google and type in any keyword. For instance, if I want to write a blog post about how to make money online, so I go to Google. As I've installed this comment section, I go to Google and type how to make money online. So I just type it, nothing else, and the tool will show up here. As you can see here, SEO difficulties is 9/100. So once I scroll down, so after typing in this keyword, it will show you the monthly search volume. So as you can see here, the monthly search volume is 368,000 searches per month. 𝗂𝗵𝗶 $1.66, competition 0.67. So once I click on the search on Google search, it will show me other keywords, other related keywords with their monthly volume. So this one, how to make money online in Nigeria, has 18,100 searches per month. And as you can see here, this is the other keywords. This comment section is very powerful, guys. So right now, if I scroll down here, you will be able to see here is the related keywords, and here is the related keywords. This one, how to make money online for beginners, 33,100 searches. This is monthly 1.73 𝗂𝗵𝗶 and 0.66 competition. How about if you can rank your blog post in this keyword, you know that you are going to get insane traffic, insane organic traffic directly from Google. So right now, you can see people also search for how to make money online for beginners. So this is the related keywords. Here is the long tail keywords, ways to make money online. It's showing their searches here, and this is a very powerful comment section. So if you search different keywords here, you will be able to see their monthly search volume and the competition and the 𝗂𝗵𝗶 and the rest. So this is how to do keyword research using this tool. It will help you to know if a keyword you want to write about, if the topic you want to write about has a monthly search volume, a high monthly search volume. It will show you the monthly search volume. It will give you. So right now, this is for blog. So let me show you how to make keyword research using YouTube. So for instance, if I come to youtube.com and I want to make a video around a particular topic, and I want to check if the topic I'm going to make video about has a monthly high search volume. So what I need to do is, as I have installed this comment section, what I need to do is to open YouTube and come here on the search. I just open the search and type, for instance again, how to make money online. So once I type it, click on search, and once it's finished searching, I will see again the search volume here. So you can see here how to make money online 2021. You can see the topic I searched, and you will see the 𝗂𝗵𝗶. So this is very similar to the Google one. The 𝗂𝗵𝗶 is the monthly search volume is still same here, and coming down here, we will see the search volume. The top channel. This is the top channel on this topic. This 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗹 is the top channel on this topic. So maximum views 802K, average views. So here is the related keywords also, how to make money online in GTA 5 online, how to make money online 2022. So these are the related keywords, and once I click on this search bar here, once I click on this box to enter a keyword, we will see related keywords, how to make money online 2021, 2004 monthly search volume, 1.03 𝗂𝗵𝗶 and 0.47 competition, So these are how to make money online 2022, 1,000 searches per month. So so that is it. How to make money watching videos, get paper money. So this is 10 searches per month. So as you can see here, so that is it. So this is a very simple Chrome extension keyword research tool that will help you if you are getting started. If you are a beginner, you want to make SEO for your videos, or you want to do SEO for your blog, you can use this Chrome extension, and it's very powerful for it. So this is how to do it. So if you're enjoying the video, kindly smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos about how to make money online, for more videos about useful tools that will help you to succeed in your online business. So I am 𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 from 𝗬𝗏𝗃.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. So basically, this is how to buy this keyword everywhere tool, and use it to do keyword research. So I am 𝗀𝗃𝗀𝗃 from 𝗬𝗏𝗃.com. Have a nice ahead. Bye.